All right, so let's go ahead right now and connect our website to Cloudflare. So go ahead, access the Cloudflare website. And over here, if you have an account, log in. If you don't have an account, click sign up. I'm going to go ahead and sign up and create a new account. All right, so I'm going to create an account. Like I said, here, the password is not accepted. Click on create here. Okay, so I'm not right now logged into my Cloudflare account. So over here, I'm going to click on add website. Now go and get your website URL. So my website URL is juicynewsworld.com. What an interesting URL that is. So let me go and paste my URL over here and click on add site. I forgot to delete the HTTPS because they just require the domain without the HTTPS. Now over here we have a lot of plans. Just scroll down to the bottom and choose the free plan and click on continue. Right now they're going to scan for existing DNS records. And so over here you can see that these are the DNS records. I'm going to click here on DNS. Let me go to settings. All right, so here you can enable these things, but it's not really necessary. I'm going to go to records. And then I want to go and get the record or the name servers. So if I scroll down over here, you'll find that these are the name servers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these name servers and point them out on my hosting account. So we're hosting our website on Hostinger. So go ahead and log into your Hostinger account. Now over here, let me go to hosting. You go to domains instead, and I want to get the DNS of this website. So here we have this Juicy News website. To click inside, and here are my name servers. So make sure that you click inside of your website. Now, because I have many websites, right? So if I go back, let me just show you how many websites I have here. So I have juicynewsworld.com, gadget reviews, sports blog, TurtainTube. All of these are mine, actually 9 hosted on this hosting. And so click on the website that you want, click change the name servers, and over here, these are the name servers that you have to change. Now here are your Cloudflare name servers. So this one is the first one. Go back over here, and instead of this, I'm going to paste this. And the second one is this. Come back here and paste it. Now I can click on save. And it might actually take, like they said here, 24 hours for the changes to propagate. So just close. Let me go back to Cloudflare over here. Now, once we've added our name servers, let's go back to Cloudflare. Click on websites. And you can see the websites that are now connected to Cloudflare. This is one of them. Let's click on this. It says pending name server update. Now, we just went ahead over and we basically added these name servers. Let's make sure that they are the same ones. Now, if I scroll here to, right, so where it is, yep, they are the same ones, vvn.ns, and we have this one here, ran.ns. So actually, I was faster than them, and because I know where these DNS records are. And so I can scroll down over here and click check name servers. Now, Cloudflare is now checking the name servers. It says, please wait a few hours for an update. Okay, so let's just wait. So let's go ahead and configure the domain right now. Click here on Review Settings. Click on Get Started. Just click on Save. And then over here, make sure that you check this box. Click on Save. Click on Save again. Click on Save. And over here, just Finish. And here you can see that our website was connected, right? I can click back on check name servers here. The verification is already being rechecked. All right, so here, let's just wait. We're going to have to wait more time before it tells us the results. But generally, we have pointed our name servers exactly where they want us to point. So let me go over here and refresh this page now and see if there is any update. Normally, we should be connected to Cloudflare by now. Let's just wait for the page to be refreshed. Loading. Yep, so right now, Cloudflare is protecting our website, and we are completely connected to Cloudflare. Now, there's only one last thing we need to do, And that is we need to go to the website's dashboard, and I want you to install the Cloudflare plugin. So I'm here on the dashboard, and I'll go to Plugins, Add New, and let's install Cloudflare. Cloudflare. Now we'll have to make sure that Cloudflare is connected to your website, because otherwise, if it's not connected and you have changed your name servers, then you won't be able to access your dashboard. Okay, so I'm just telling you that. Now over here we have these different ones. Now we're not going to be using these ones. We're just going to be using this one here. Cloudflare by Cloudflare Incorporation. Activate. And then we're going to require to have the API. So let's go to settings first. Over here, we're going to have to sign up for our account. So sign into your account, enter your email. Now you can get your API key by clicking here. So if I click there, it will give us our API key. If we scroll down to the bottom here. Well, first of all, here they're saying I'm not verified, so I'm going to have to go to my email to verify my account. So I'm going to go to Google here. I must have received an email that I overlooked. So here's the email. I can click on that email and verify that I am me. Okay, so I am me. That's a strange thing. But anyways, my email address is now verified. So I can go back right now here. I can click one more time. If I scroll down, where is my API? Right, so I can click here. API tokens. View the global token. I have to enter my password. Let me click right now on view. And there's my token. Just once you click on it, it will get copied to clipboard. And of course, you can go back to your website. You can come in here and paste your API token, your email. Make sure that you add the email that you have used to create the account and save API credentials. And so right now, after I save the credentials, I have accessed Cloudflare, and Cloudflare is perfectly connected. And that's it. Now, you can do one more step. You can go to WP Fastest Cache, and you could go here to CDN, but you will see that Cloudflare is already integrated, so you don't need to do this, right? But you can click here, and you can add your API token. You can click on Next, but that's already done, right? So we already have connected Cloudflare to our account. So right now, let's go and do a check for the website. Let's check the speed of this website. We'll be using a website to test the speed. So go to Google and look for Google Page Speed Insights. And let me paste my URL and check for page speed. Now, there are a lot of ways to check. There's not just page speed insights. But we'll check with this method first, and then we'll go and see what other methods you could use to check for your website speed. So right now you can see our performance. Now this is the performance on mobile. 62 on mobile, not so bad. And this is the performance on desktop, 78, okay? Now we could do better, of course, but I think it's pretty good, right? So it's already pretty good. And so you could optimize perhaps by taking the images and optimizing them. And so that will definitely, make this a 90 or even more. So it will make it in the range of 90 to 100. And so it's always great to optimize images. Now, next, I'll be showing you how you can test using other methods. There's GTmetrix, which is a website that you can use. Now, GTmetrix, let me search for GTmetrix. You can also look for your speed or test your speed on GTmetrix. Now, the results are going to be different from Page Speed Insights. Page Speed Insights tends to be more, I would say, rigid. So they will always give you these very low speed insights. For GTmetrix, it might tell you that your website is perfect. There are other websites such as Pingdom, for example, which are also good to use to test for your speed. But you can see over here that this is testing, and in a second right now, it's going to give us the result of the test. It says over here performance is 88, so pretty good. Not really a big reason for us to worry about this. The time it takes to load the homepage is 2.1 seconds, which is not a lot. Now you could make it 1.5, you could make it less, but I believe 88% of performance is extremely good. So let me go ahead and show you right now how you can use an updraft plugin to take a backup of your website so that you don't lose your website's latest version. So that whenever anything happens, you have your backup, and with the help of the hosting team, you could get your website back and running in no time.